What happens when Porsche takes one of the most legendary sports cars on the planet and makes it even more capable, more aggressive, and more exciting? Meet the 2027 Porsche 911 Carrera 4 GTS, a machine that looks ready to attack the road before you even turn the key. Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're taking a closer look at a Porsche that sits right in the sweet spot between everyday usability and serious performance. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why the 911 Carrera 4 GTS continues to be such a dream car for enthusiasts. From the first glance, the 2027 Carrera 4 GTS delivers that unmistakable 911 silhouette. The low nose, wide stance, sloping roofline, and muscular rear end create a shape that feels instantly recognizable, while still looking modern. Porsche's signature lighting gives the front end a high-tech appearance, while the aggressive lower sections and performance-focused details make it clear that this isn't an ordinary 911. The GTS treatment adds an extra layer of attitude. Darker exterior accents, larger wheels, sportier body details, and distinctive GTS touches give the car a more purposeful personality. It's elegant enough for a night out, but aggressive enough to make every parking lot arrival feel like an event. Inside, Porsche keeps the driver at the center of the experience. The cabin blends premium materials with a distinctly sporty atmosphere. Supportive sports seats, a compact steering wheel, high-quality finishes, and carefully positioned controls create an environment that feels focused without becoming uncomfortable. Technology is also a major part of the experience, with modern connectivity, digital displays, driver assistance features, and an infotainment system designed to keep essential information within easy reach. Yet Porsche wisely avoids turning the cabin into a giant touchscreen experiment. The result is a cockpit that still feels like it was designed for driving. But the real magic begins when you hit the road. The Carrera 4 GTS combines Porsche's performance engineering with all-wheel drive capability, giving the car impressive traction when you need it most. The turbocharged flat-6 engine delivers strong acceleration and a thrilling soundtrack, while the sophisticated chassis helps the 911 remain composed through corners. Whether you're cruising through the city, attacking a winding back road, or enjoying a high-speed highway run, the 911 Carrera 4 GTS is designed to make ordinary driving feel special. Steering response is sharp, braking performance is confidence, inspiring, and the suspension balances everyday comfort with the kind of control an enthusiast expect from a GTS model. And then there's the question everyone wants answered: price. For the 2027 model year, final US pricing and equipment details may vary depending on Porsche's official announcement and configuration. Expect the Carrera 4 GTS to command a premium over standard Carrera models, especially once you start adding performance and luxury options. And that's exactly what makes this Porsche interesting. It isn't trying to be the cheapest sports car. It's trying to be one of the most complete. The 2027 Porsche 911 Carrera 4 GTS brings together iconic design, everyday usability, advanced technology, all-wheel drive confidence, and serious performance in one unforgettable package. So, would you take the Carrera 4 GTS over another high-performance sports car? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more new car reviews, launches, and automotive content.